Ever wondered if OnPay has an app specifically designed for employees? Well, let's dive in and find out. Imagine having the convenience of checking your pay, requesting time off, and even managing your benefits right from your phone. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? In this video, we're going to explore whether OnPay has an app that caters to the needs of its employees. OnPay is a popular payroll and HR management platform used by many businesses. It offers a wide range of features, including payroll processing, time and attendance tracking, benefits administration, and more. But does it also provide an app for its employees? 1. www.causal.app. www.causal.app. Answering the question. Yes, OnPay does have an employee app. The OnPay employee app is designed to make it easy for employees to access their payroll information, manage their time-off requests, and stay updated on important company announcements. Key features of the OnPay employee app. Payroll information. Employees can view their pay stubs, check their earnings, and see their deductions all in one place. Time-off requests. Submit and track time-off requests directly from the app. Company announcements. Stay informed about important company news and updates. Benefits information. Access information about your benefits and make changes as needed. Secure access. The app uses advanced security measures to protect your personal information. Benefits of using the OnPay employee app. Convenience. Access your payroll and HR information anytime, anywhere. Efficiency. Submit time-off requests and manage your benefits quickly and easily. Security. Rest assured that your personal information is protected. Improved communication. Stay informed about company news and updates. Additional considerations. While the OnPay employee app offers many benefits, it's important to note that some features may vary depending on your company's specific setup. It's always a good idea to check with your HR department to see which features are available to you. So, there you have it. OnPay does indeed have an employee app that can make your life easier. With features like payroll access, time-off management, and company announcements, the app offers a convenient way to stay on top of your HR information. If you're an OnPay employee and haven't tried the app yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Could save you time and hassle. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about OnPay or its employee app, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.